Hey folks, it's Eric again. I opened up both of my Toshiba HD DVD players and it's verified that the actual drive mechanisms are the same part number. This is the one that doesn't work. Same part number, but it's a different ROM version, if that matters. Guess I could update the probably have already updated the firmware. I don't know. It's been so many years ago when I last really played with these. It's the same mechanism. Actually, so much of these two units are identical. The power supplies look identical, and the main board looks identical too, except for a few differences. I'm amazed how much silicon are on these devices. I can only imagine in 2006, 2007, they sold these at a loss because they're really complicated main boards. So this is basically right when high definition optical media came out, before it was more commercialized. It was more of an enthusiast kind of a thing. So I'm going to swap these two drives and see what happens. Okay, bye-bye.